Let's talk summertime. I'm talking about doing things outside like grilling and grilling pizzas. Barley flour and pizza dough, stretch it by hand. It's better than a rolling pin because the rolling pin is gonna crush the air pockets and make a super dense dough. Also, because I said so. Lube it up with some EVOO and some smoky cowboy from 𝗙𝗎𝗄𝗧, then onto the grill. 2 minutes on each side just to get it ready for the toppings. I'm going summer barbecue style, so chicken and apple sausage is the name of the game. Next, cheese. I'm using cheese curds, pepper jack, and mozzarella, but screw using tomato sauce because my gravy is like a bolognese with sausage and beef and braised veggies. We're gonna slather that on there. Toss on that shredded cheese mix, then the sausage and the cheese curds, and we're ready to rock and roll. Straight onto the grill for about 6 minutes, covered in foil to let that stretchy cheese get oozy and gooey. Oh my God, look at that. Back to the cutting board for some fresh basil, fresh sliced chives, and when I say this is the best pizza I've had all summer, you better believe it. Now get grilling.